We are at Eielson Air Force Base this morning, right?
Eielson?
Eielson. We're at the Air Force Base near Fairbanks, Alaska. And they're having an air show, and it only happens once every 10 years. And we are here for it. And we were thinking it might get canceled because of the smoke and the air quality, but it rained. We actually see the sun today. The show is on. It's supposed to be a lot of fun. Food trucks, games for kids, face painting, all kinds of stuff. So, just dropped the camper off at our Boondockers Welcome, and we are gonna go check out this show. Hopefully we'll see some cool flyovers and stuff. You excited, boys?
Yes!
Yes. You excited, Daddy?
Absolutely.
We had a 3,000 square foot house and all of the things, yet we always found ourselves looking for more. We love being outside, we love adventuring, and every time we went someplace we never wanted to come home. We are just your average family living not your everyday life. Andrew, Janelle, Corbin, and Wyatt. We are the Hoopers. This is our journey of building our home.
Yes, sir. You're having that baby out there. Thank you guys very much. You guys have a good one. Give me 5, man. All right.
Good job. Thank you.
Great day. Thank you, guys.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you very much. You're very welcome.
Arctic Lightning Air Show 2019. We've got a great lineup of demonstrations for you today. You're going to see the latest and greatest aircraft in the Air Force inventory. Aircraft that will be based right here at Eielson Air Force Base.
So on behalf of the entire team here at Eielson, thank you for spending the day with us. Because today, you get to see the future of air power in Alaska.
Whoa, look, we're inside of an airplane. Huh?
Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 2019 Arctic Lightning Air Show. The pilot for today's demonstration is Captain Jacob Pellizzeri, call sign Primo, from Cincinnati, Ohio. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, Captain Pellizzeri in the F-16 Fighting Falcon.
Here it comes. Oh, he won.
To further demonstrate, that's Captain Pellizzeri.
So I'm taking my time on my ride. Tell you all about it when I see you.
Now the skies are safe. The strike aircraft are inbound to drop bombs on their pre-planned targets. First in.
Thank you. Was it really cool in there? That's awesome. What is it? Corbin, wave.
Thanks for watching. Okay, cool. Home with the Hoopers. Bye bye. Bye bye.